Welcome to the Wake Up and Sad Podcast! So, yari dito.
Ano? Bakit ka nakikialam ng makeup ko? Nakikialam ng makeup ng may makeup. Napapagod pero lumalaban. Thank you to Kape Kape by Linya Linya for our coffee for today.
Yes.
Thanks, Jim, for picking up the
Clingy
coffee.
sa kape si Jim. Yeah,
Cute.
that's why I was late to this live episode. Again, I want to remind you guys that if you love this pod and you're listening on Spotify or illegally streaming on Napster, you can support our pod just by simply going to playback.tv/Jim and Sab. In fair, I saw na 400 members na pala tayo dito.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dapat meron tayong mga milestone stuff na if we reach 500, Jim will do may bago akong gusto gawing TikTok dance. May trending ngayon, Jim. Megan Thee Stallion. Narinig mo na yun? Yung Japanese song niya.
Hindi.
Yung debede, sta, kira.
So ako if I'm gonna do the TikTok thing, it's with the hopes na kunin ako ng 7 Entertainment.
7M?
7.
The Cult? Try out tayo. Dancing for the Devil. Try out.
Siguro yung cult parang okay lang kami.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Doon na lang kami kay
Hindi kami kikita sa inyo.
Ano pangalan nun? Madison?
Oh,
Megan?
yung yeah. I was gonna say something.
I know.
Anyway, let's get to the news. Before we start, again, the news. So, first...
Post lang ako sa Instagram.
Labo. Okay.
Kape.
Ay, pakita ko naman.
Wala, hindi ko na kasama. Okay lang. Hindi na ako mag-post.
Okay. Go. Post ka na.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Game, go.
The people,
it's live. This is live.
The people
It's
listening
live.
naman are...
Yep, let's go.
Are at work. So, what nangyari?
Pinost ka na.
Okay.
Bakit?
Okay. Sige, so anyway, we're going into the news. Did you read about this?
I read this.
Okay.
And...
So quick lang. I just want to remind everyone, so we got comments actually on our group, which is the podtron/jimandsab.com.
Yeah, our
basically,
membership.
jimandsab.com. That membership is where we have Heroes of the Month, where we have different kids that we support. Later, we're going to read about their profiles, who all our pod kids have helped, our podtrons have helped. So, yun, that's what it is. And later, I asked them kasi, what do they want this month?
Oh, that's nice.
So the podtrons actually get an exclusive episode for playback.
Okay. Love it.
And may mga requests sila.
Okay.
Basically, and other fun stuff they can get from jimandsab.com.
Okay. I said we are starting up next month my life coach.
Okay, yun. Basically, yun lang naman hihingi nila actually. Okay. So, here we go. News. Have you done the news? No.
I gave it a rundown. Like, there's a new Captain America movie coming up. I didn't even know that was happening.
So it's actually a damning issue apparently nito.
Brave New World.
Yeah.
Tell me
it's Sam Wilson.
Yeah.
So as usual, Marvel is marveling that.
Stop obsessing with the condensation of the coffee on the table. Stop it. Okay.
Halata ba?
Sobrang. Nasa stress siya na may nagko-condense yung tubig from the...
Okay.
Okay.
So anyway, in itong...
Condensation.
The new Captain America.
Mm.
Okay. So...
Is Bucky still part of it?
Parang wala na.
What happened to their show?
Tapos na yung...
Anong pangalan? The Captain Soldier?
Falcon and the Soldier or something.
Falcon and the Winter Soldier.
Yun pala. So anyway, so obviously Marvel nga is struggling. And...
Are we happy about this struggle?
Ako for me,
deserve ba?
Pag naging greedy, deserve. Like, you can't
it's
say...
very vought.
Like, very vought.
Yeah, talking about the boys.
You can't say na parang, let's say, Denis Villeneuve
of
Dune
Villeneuve.
Or let's say Nolan and what? Ano yung kay
Katawa ko,
Nolan?
yeah, Denis Villeneuve from June.
Like Nolan from of Legendary Pictures, I think. Hindi ako sure. Sorry, correct me na lang if I'm wrong. Pero you can't say na they're being greedy if they're gonna make Dune 3. I mean,
How come?
because there was an arc, and parang kaya siya naging greedy, I think, is because they stopped caring about the actual stories and actual like yun nga, parang nakakatawa, ang dami pang galit na everyone is saying na Marvel, Disney pa-woke. Hindi, yun nga yung claim nila, diba, na parang pinipilit, bakit daw kailangan ganito, bakit kailangan ibahin, bakit kailangan...
Ano ba yung iba? So, si Falcon ba, is he,
Sam Wilson, in the comics kasi talaga, he does become Captain America.
But is he black in the comic book?
Yeah.
Oh, so...
No, that's not particularly the issue. More of like sa Star Wars, like itong latest na series, yung Acolyte.
I've never even tried.
Oo nga eh. So parang apparently maraming naiinis kasi yun nga, puro and medyo gets ko kasi parang gets ko what they're trying to do because ito medyo bagay naman.
The Star Wars thing makes sense.
Star Wars, yes, but yes.
The diversification.
But lalo na sa Jedi Order. Definitely. Parang kasi most of these principles are, diba, are from Japanese, from Zen, Chinese, whatever.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kira. I was talking about the Megan Thee Stallion song.
Sorry.
That was not Japanese. That was really bad. I'm sorry.
Okay. So, anyway, yun yung nangyari dun sa you want to watch the trailer?
Should we watch it? Okay, we can watch it. Let me know if it's choppy. But yeah, let's watch it. What is it called? Brave New World?
Brave New World.
Parang may mga nagagalit rin about this new character na hindi daw siya essential.
Hindi, ito yung issue. Ito pala yung issue before we watch it.
What?
One of the characters is a Zionist.
In real life?
In real life. And...
We mean one of the actresses?
One of the actresses. So I think they had to reshoot her part.
What?
May mga ganun.
Kasi nirecast siya?
Hindi siya rinicast. Tinuloy nila. Binawasan yung scenes or something like that. Yeah.
Ano ba yan? Daming drama. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Like, but in fairness, I saw the trailer.
Okay, let's
like,
do
I
it.
hope it's not.
Okay, let me know if you guys can...
And lastly, sorry.
Okay,
Harrison Ford is the same age as Joe Biden.
What?
Almost. Harrison Ford's like 82.
Harrison Ford for president.
And then look at him in the trailer.
Okay.
Look at him in the trailer.
Okay.
So parang, if this guy can go to an actual movie shoot and run a little, diba?
Yeah.
Pero grabe talaga eh. I mean...
okay.
Anyway.
Okay.
Wilson. Thanks for coming in.
Well, thank you for the invite, sir. I have to admit, I'm still getting used to the new look.
They said lose the mustache or lose the election. You and I haven't always agreed in the past, but I want to make another run at making Captain America an official military position.
And if we disagree on how to manage this situation,
yeah, that was
then what happens?
That din kanina.
Work with me, Sam.
That looks pretty cool, no?
We'll show the world a better way forward.
And Sam looks awesome.
It actually does look cool.
Huh?
Sir, your inner circle's been compromised. Either you can't see that, or you don't want to. What if it's a trap? Global powers.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
You're just a pawn.
Ang ganda! Ganda!
Tapos elections pa.
Steve Rogers.
Hey, is that ano?
Yeah. A Sting, no?
Right. I'm not.
Looks cool.
Looks cool.
Actually, it looks cool kasi si si Sam Wilson looks pretty.
He looks
Si Anthony
fit.
Mackie. Well, yeah, I mean, but he looks parang comfortable.
Yeah.
Usually,
Parang feeling mo parang insecure siya.
may
I get what you mean.
Gets
Parang
mo?
trying.
yung una parang may ganun eh. Parang ngayon may konting vulnerability.
Yeah.
Which leads me to my next point, which in
His
my
name is Sam Wilson. Isn't that the name of the brother of Georgina Wilson?
yung kabatch natin.
Diba?
Yeah.
Wala lang.
Oh. So, okay. This is it.
Okay, where are we?
Ay, saan na ba?
Speaking, are
Sorry.
we going to the elections?
Hindi. I'm gonna go to this next thing I wanna discuss. See, I was on my tempo run kanina, meaning interval. So, bilis, patay sindi.
Okay.
Super, super fast,
Ah.
and then super, super slow. And then
Okay.
you rest, and then super, super fast, and then super. So, yung super, super fast, you need power. Anyway, I was listening to Chapel Roan.
I was so happy. I went to the gym and then Jim was like super running. And then he saw me and then he got his phone, showed it to me. And parang ako, wait, di ko mabasa kasi gumagalaw ka. And then I saw he was listening to Good Luck Babe by Chapel Roan. And then he was saying, love.
Okay. Quick. Like one of the biggest tips na that was shared. So si Rames Marasigan actually nagturo sa amin nito.
Oh.
So Rames like attended one of our bands, not Cheats, parang session, and he said like, why are you guys giving it all na? And it's throughout the whole song. Parang even like the most like rock bands have ebbs and flows, right? So just like an interval, like bam, 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 and chill, bam, 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 bam,
Yeah.
chill. So what I love about Chapel Roan and Taylor Swift, what I love about these, because that's the only things I've been listening to actually.
Main pop girls?
Yung the main pop girls. Lalo na like Olivia Rodrigo, even
Olivia Rodrigo has a song exactly like what you're saying.
yeah.
The all the time I'm grateful.
Hindi, pero yung yung bloodsucker. Diba? So, so yung Olivia Rodrigo and these artists,
Main pop girls.
yeah. So aside from the arrangement of the producer ng Patay Sindi, na banging drums, banging guitar, banging synths, na bang bang, it's the vocal rin. And I think doon ako na in love when I love both sides of the artist. So like si Chapel, kasi ikaw sabi, please, to partners, here's some advice. Pagdating sa music and movies, know how to sell it.
I know I cannot sell anything, which is strange because it's kind of my job.
That's your job.
But I can't sell anything.
No.
can't.
You know why?
I get too excited.
Nee.
So I think it's my Jim. I think it's my.
That's your selling language.
That's my selling. That's the reason why it sells. It's because I just get too excited, and like I would never sell you something that's not good.
That's true.
So parang
What I'm saying is,
hindi ako bullshitter. Ikaw magaling ka mang bullshit. Bullshit.
Nee, what I'm trying to say is that ikaw kasi,
Kaping-kape yan.
ikaw kasi, you know how to. What I'm saying is, ito yung advice ko when you're talking to your partner, your friends, if gusto mo silang ibudol, try to know them first before actually shoving down shit in their face.
But
So
I
if
feel
they like shit, parang ganito. So kunwari, si Sab, like in the middle of, like she knows how insanely parang medyo singular focus ako. Right? Na parang,
si Jim paalis na, grabbing his keys and like heading out the door. And then I'm like, Jim, panoorin mo to.
or let's say, kunwari,
Parang low EQ.
let's say, kunwari, like, let's say I'm finally like working, like I'm working. Tapos si Sab, like, pahinga mo pa, pahinga mo daw, pahinga mo daw. And I'm like, and it's on a phone speaker. And I've told her before, for me, music, I have never in my life,
What?
I have never heard something on a phone
Not
speaker
you ended up like
and said like, and through that experience,
Like-
said, oh my God.
I get it. Like, how can you experience
Grabe.
that? No.
Ikaw, you do that eh.
No. Through my phone speaker, no. I have my earphones.
Ah, okay. So,
But I
anyway,
get you.
Gets
You
mo?
have a very good point.
parang, parang nakatawa. Si Steph. Yes, correct, Steph.
Sabi
Very,
niya,
very
parang
much
di
so.
pa bumibenta si Sabrina Carpenter kay
Hindi
Jim.
talaga bumenta. Because again, another example, Sabi, quick. When Sab and I are in the car,
Let that miss pursue.
and then we're talking, and then like we finally, we have a moment of peace because we're parents,
Mhm.
right?
You mean when it's just the two of us
Just
in
the two of us, and I'm like enjoying the
conversation.
conversation. Or let's say the mood is like we listen to, let's say, Tortured Poets,
Mm.
So Long London, yung pinarinig ko. Kailangan mong sumakay. Let's say if I say like, hey, there's this new Phoebe Bridgers song, slow and mellow and like,
Daya mo kasi whenever you introduce something, I actually listen to it and I don't have that weird face na ito na naman.
hindi kasi again, it's not within the wave of the vibe.
Okay.
Like let's say kunwari, if we were like laughing, and then I said, hey, let's listen to this new Wilco song. There's no
Sad.
hook and it's so sad. You'd be like, okay.
Okay.
Pero like, gets mo? Usually ako, we're quiet, and then I say, you want to listen to this? Like this, and then it's like, yun nga, a new Clairo song.
No, that's when we first listened to ano. Feather, we just sit together in a... Billie Eilish.
Yan. Ah, yeah. Again, the first time we listened to Birds of a Feather,
That was the one song that we liked.
hindi, even...
It was...
Ne.
I liked it the first time I heard it. We was in the car. We were on our way home.
Pero, grabe, no? Nakakatawa
Yeah.
talaga. Like, yun.
Yeah.
So, sabi na, I listened to the whole Billie Eilish album.
Not the whole one.
Well, pretty much. Like, when we were doing the whole, like, after 30 seconds, like,
Okay.
okay na? Next.
I could eat
Ay,
the
next.
kid for lunch next.
Sorry.
No hate.
I love Billie Eilish.
But when I heard Birds of a Feather, we finished the whole song.
Hindi.
We did. Jim, I remember it. Eh.
Okay, anyway. Nakakatawa.
Sorry.
You know,
Annoying.
you know who I love
Mm.
now?
Mm.
And I haven't, you know what? I officially never heard a single song from this guy.
Who?
Charlie Puth.
Charlie Puth should be a bigger artist.
Bigger artist, di ba? So, from that, of course, inatake ako ng Instagram Reels.
Siyempre si biggest salesman, si Taylor Swift.
Ah, yeah. Pero actually, hindi naman. Parang, inisip ko nga if Taylor, like, says, like, she gets chaperone on the next album, medyo parang, nah. Parang may pagbakbakan ka na, T. Like, kasi very strategic yun eh. Like, kumari, di ba, like, if she sees, like, okay, this, I mean, I'm sure her marketing department and whatever, very smart na,
Yeah.
like, okay, medyo umaangat tong si chaperone.
Do you know that Sabrina Carpenter opened for Eras Tour? And then Chapel Roan opened for Olivia Rodriguez. Before they... Rodriguez.
Oh.
Olivia Rodrigo. Wala lang. I mean, and then they're like two of the biggest main girls now.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I mean, I love it.
Pero I can't believe you could compare Sabrina Carpenter.
I'm not
to-
comparing them.
Or
but
parang
it's
kasama sa category ng mga to. Kasi like, ito si Chaperone. She's
Jim,
a legit
You
artist.
haven't even listened to Sabrina Carpenter. I don't know why you're hating on her. I like her.
Hindi, pero I mean like, ito. Sorry, I don't mean legit artist. Okay? Ito yung point ko. Kay Chaperone, kaya love ko siya. There's this artistry. Even the way the lyrics are written and anyway, back to my Patay Sindi
Okay.
part. So, kuwari
What
yung...
was your point? I'm so sorry.
yung love ko dun sa Patay Sindi is when, let's say, kuwari, Taylor Swift.
Mm.
When she sings, ano yan? Ano yung ano yun? Freak.
I'm gonna get you back?
Yeah.
Or down bad?
I'm gonna get you back. Pero yung isa, yung Little Old Me.
Who's afraid of little old me? You should be.
That's the you should be. You should be. So anyway, and then the verses.
Gusto ko yung old habits die. Scream.
Yeah. Yun yung sinasabi ko. There's an artistry of when she and even the vocal delivery and even si Olivia Rodrigo, Rodriguez sa Vampire when she sings like mapahinggan niyo.
What do you think about cursive singers? That's what they're called.
Harsh.
Har.
Driving coffee bean and fucking ash.
Let's girl. Bleeding me dry like a bakit naging
Chicken
fried nuggets.
Anyway,
naging country na labo.
I think Har it's cool that it died.
Like Gracie Abrams. Have you gotten into Gracie Abrams?
No.
May parang I don't know. I wouldn't classify her as har, pero may factor.
So iba si Gracie Abrams kay
Anak siya ni J.J. Abrams.
oo nga, pinaling mo sa akin.
And I like that. I've only ever heard one song by
that.
Gracie
That was
Abrams.
okay. That was okay.
What is it called? Something about yung parang ano siya.
Super 8.
Hindi, parang ano siya. Parang
The director of my life. Parang ganun nata eh.
the song?
Yeah.
My daddy's a director. Director daddy. Star Trek. Wala. Star Trek
Trekkie.
Trekkie Zaddy. No, that's weird. Okay. No, may song siya si Gracie Abrams. May song siya na I think bago lang ata yung. Okay, the concept of the video is like I'm so obsessed with you. I've never even
Close to you.
Hindi ko maalala. I've never even met you, and parang I'm like crazy, and I'm like I feel like kilala kita, and naiinis ako na hindi kita katabi matulog, pero hindi ko man kita kilala. I love the song. I love the concept of it. Is it called Risk? Yeah, but I love the video. Galing niya mag-acting. I mean, like, cast her. I'm so for the Nepo babies. I mean, represent. Yeah.
So,
and I love her haircut. I mean, short-haired girlies. Come on.
So, iba si Gracie Abrams kay Stephen Musgraves.
Casey Musgraves? Did you say Hummus Graves? I've never, hindi ko pa narinig yun.
Parang
But I know the name.
Stephen Speaks.
Stephen Speaksburgs.
Stephen Speaks. Stephen Musgraves?
Musgraves. Musgraves.
I think it really is Moose. Like
Casey Musgraves.
Okay.
See? Is she a country singer? Anyway, going back to Chapel Roan though.
Okay. So anyway, artistry, I love when they do the patay sinde.
What do you like about Good Luck, Babe? Did you listen to the ending, the bridge, which is the best part?
No. Nang kulit ng trainer ko sa Nike Run Club eh. Parang, you can do it! Oh, shut up!
I turned off the guided runs on Nike Run Club. Kasi kailangan ako, nakikinig ako ng Chapel Roan. Tapos biglang, have you ever felt like, shut up, I'm trying to listen to the bridge.
FYI, Podkids, those who are getting into running, yun nga, may Nike Run Club app as budod by Ali. So anyway, yung app na yan, it's...
And train Coach Therese.
So Coach Therese. So you have that app, you choose whatever you want to get into. Like you want to get your first 5K.
I'm currently on an 8-week training plan to do a 10K.
Yun. So ganon. So ako half marathon ako ngayon.
Wow.
So pipiliin mo yun and then may in fairness naman maganda yung mga guided run. Like may mga ibang annoying nga lang na medyo
think about your best run ever.
Ay, gusto ko
I
yun.
like that. I like
Gusto
that.
ko yun.
I like
Gusto ko
that.
yun. I love the stuff. Pero lalo na kung mga tempo run, like mga fast run, interval run, game.
Okay.
But anyway, so yun nga yung nangyayari. Like, I'm flying and it's like, Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing on the Pink Pony Club.
Grabe. I love that song.
I was...
God, what have you done? You're a big pony girl. And you dance at the club, oh mama. Ah.
So, anyway, yung, please.
Okay, sorry. Okay, go. I'm like going off. Like, Jim, like I don't take over the PBA talk, okay? So if you want to talk main pop girls, like, let me.
But the thing, what I'm saying is, I'm selling it nga for
Okay,
people that,
The running.
no.
The patay sinde.
I'm selling the main pop girls to people that probably can't.
Okay, game.
Kasi this is what I do on a normal basis. Like,
Yeah.
until now, like, my bandmates,
Mm.
sila Kyle, sila Manny, they're not interested in main pop girls. They don't listen to it.
They
But they
like-
listen to a lot of Twice.
K-pop.
They listen to K-pop, but I don't know why. But anyway, you were saying.
You mean you don't know why they listen to K-pop? Is that what you meant? Or you don't know why they don't listen to main
I
pop
don't know why
girls?
they don't listen to main pop girls.
Who, yung gusto kong, pakinggan actually is, and everyone's going crazy about it. Charlie XCX, her new album is called Brat.
Mm.
Wala pa akong narinig na song, but I think tomorrow that will be my running soundtrack.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay ba siya? Siya ba yung kumanta nung
Anong kanta
Get your
na?
come on, get a better mego,
That's
mego,
Jessie J.
mego.
Bego. Money.
Gotta get the world change. Get a better price change.
It's all about the
Whoa,
belling,
stocks.
letting.
It's all about the equity
da-dam,
fund.
da-
I could imagine, let's say, BPI or video, like getting ano name niya?
Jessie J.
Jessie J. Parang, it's all about the money,
Money.
stocks, private equity
Investments.
fund.
You gotta get a price tag.
Ano yan, ma? A dipping fund? Home loans.
And
Jessie,
about the
now here is Jesse James for
Jessie James. Jessie J.
Jesse J for BDO Life with Piolo Pascual.
Hi guys. I'm so honored po na kasama ko si Jessie James. Okay, kanta na po tayo. We were both young when I first saw you. I'm Jessie and I'm James. That's Team Rocket from Pokemon.
Hindi, maganda kung Jesse J and let's say James Yap. Diba? Like, hi, I'm Jesse.
And I'm James.
Ako si James.
We are here for Security Bank.
From different parts of the globe, kahit anumang probinsya yan.
Wala kaming pakialam sa price tag.
Wow, si Jesse yung Tagalog.
Wala kaming pakialam sa price
Price tag.
tag. Mabuhay.
Tapos si
Do you know that?
Tapos bigla si James Yap. Cause it's you and me and all of the stock funds.
That's so stupid. And
And I can imagine like all the ad agencies like, solid to.
do you know that Jessie J wrote Party in the USA? She's not even American.
Weh.
Yeah.
All I remember kasi from Jessie J is the like, so I'd like to end on a funny note. Can you please play ano yung Jessie J na ano yun yung gago? Yung that's my
Let's look
favorite.
for that.
Kaya
The bad lip sync.
Kaya kanina ko pag ginagago siya because that's all I remember. Hindi siya hindi siya bad lip sync eh. Ano yun? Playbackers, ano yun? Like something about ano yun? Jessie J hindi hindi something like runs or something like that. Tingnan mo yung playback baka.
Gusto ko yung
Hindi,
Yep,
tingnan mo,
ayan.
hindi runs. Hindi.
Wait,
Ano tawag doon?
Flashlight?
Playbackers, yung mga ayan, bang.
Bang, bang?
Hindi, pero may ano yun eh, may tawag dun sa ako na. Na bang.
Is it the ano? yung bang bang. Boo. yung acapella.
Yeah. Funny.
Okay.
Yeah,
Shreds. That's what it's called. Okay,
Shreds.
Shreds.
Okay, Shreds.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the best. Okay, we're gonna watch. That
Okay.
is what I remember.
Okay, so we're okay, here we go.
Hello, I'm Jessie J, and this is Louis on guitar, and I'm about to sing my first.
So this is
song
not her
from my
actual
first
voice,
album,
okay?
Joker, and it is
Kinig
called Bang Bang. Let's go.
Parang guitar.
She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I could send you into overdrive. You've been waiting for that. Start, hold on, drink your head. See, anybody can be bad to you. You need a good girl to blow your mind. Bang, bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute till you're.
Yeah.
That's why this whole
I love
episode.
her.
Kaya
Oh my God.
nakakatawa. I think nasa-stress out rin si nasa-stress out
Miko
ata
said,
si
what am I watching?
nasa-stress out ata si Gen Z correspondent and si Machine Princess.
Si Prime
Ano daw
Minister.
ang episode title ito?
Jesse James.
Wag.
Bakit? That's funny.
Playbackers, any suggestions?
Well, we did not talk about the news at all.
Wala si Produ eh.
Jesse James, yep. Oh my gosh. But that's actually how I feel like, that's how I sound. Bang, bang into the wall.
Okay.
Okay.
This was so much
Olivia
fun. See you guys
Rodriguez
tomorrow.
and Jesse James. All right. And see you on Saturday for the live pod recording.
Tama, Banlaw from the news, si Steph.
Yes.
Correct. Ano yung Team Rocket?
Team Rocket is
Um,
Jesse and James from
Gen Z
Pokemon.
correspondent, you can cut na the pod.
Bye!
Bye.